The devil's a liar. Listen, man. Listen, you gotta practice what you preach. You gotta practice what you preach. Have you ever had those moments where you're at the gym and you either forgot your pre-workout, headphones, water, or you just not in the zone? Guess what? I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I almost checked out. I almost gave up. I almost said, nah, I'm gonna skip this because your boy didn't have his AirPods. But you know what? I thought about you. I thought about the Daily Fit Handbook and what it stands for and how that helps in this moment. You know what I did? I went in there without my AirPods and I got my gains as is. And you know what? I still hit my 200 rep goal for the day. And now listen, I get a check mark attempt. Guys, this is the Daily Fit Handbook live and in effect. Get you the handbook when? Soon. That's when it's coming. It's coming soon. The Daily Fit Handbook. It is geared to build exercise consistency so that even if you lose your AirPods, you still work out anyways. That's what it's about, y'all. Daily Fit Handbook coming soon.